Hello, I'm Peter Pan. Introduction to my autobiography. Do you know me? I'm a young boy that I live in Wendy's house on the island of Neverland. When I was small, about 2 to 3 years old, fairies entered our home and took me away to Neverland. Soon, when I returned, I have discovered another baby in our mother's bed. The pixie, named Tinker Bell, she is a sassy fairy, who is the sidekick of the title character, and regularly joins him on his exploits throughout the magical Isle of Neverland. One night in London, I and Tinker Bell visited the home of the Darling family, where he accidentally left his living shadow during one of his previous visits. My wife, Wendy Darling, she's a young girl from London with a lifelong appreciation for the stories. She served as a heavy influence on her brothers, specifically in regards to their love of me and his lore. She would regularly tell the boys stories of my various adventures in the supposedly fictitious Isle of Neverland. My small brother, Dr. John Darling, he takes after his father. He often speaks in a sophisticated way, which his younger brother Michael usually mimics and repeats. And the rest of my family named Mary and George Darling. Later, we went to the pirate crew. I saved Wendy just in time before getting splashed, for he survived the bomb, thanks to Tinker Bell going to my rescue upon escaping the lantern upon learning of the bomb. I flew to the net to cut the rope, and the crew fell down to the rowboat with Smee in it, and headed to the sea. Smee and the pirates were then rowing the boat away from Neverland, till Captain Hook was swimming away by his nemesis, Tik-Tok, the crocodile. He's a green saltwater with sharp teeth, dark spikes on his back, long tail, amber eyes, short legs, and makes a tick-tock sound with his tail or his eyes popping up with sound as well. The alarm clock inside the crocodile gave a warning whenever the croc was near, allowing Hook to prepare himself for the danger moments away. Finally, we saw what appears to be a pirate ship in the clouds, like an airplane. George, who has softened his position about Wendy staying in the nursery, recognizes the ship from his own childhood. So, this has been my autobiography of Peter Pan. Like, comment, and subscribe now.